Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Turbo Gallery widget presented by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. This video will show you examples, customizations, and live gallery making steps using the Turbo widget. Turbo is one of the cleanest and high-definition image gallery widgets out there for WordPress. The interface is loaded with a tooltip hover animation along with full custom shapes for Elementor gallery. The tooltip shows the meta tag and title of the images and it follows the cursor. All images have a read more or continue button in the middle. Both the button and tooltip pop on hover. The button also has a separate hover effect applied. There is a lot of room to breathe when viewing the image gallery with Turbo. It's also possible to hide items in order to make more unique interfaces using this widget. We guess these two front-end demo layouts already piqued your interest. Let us show you how to customize the Turbo widget from the backend. The first option lets you change the active column number of the grid template. A little below, you get to change the row gap of the grid. Just right below, you can adjust the column gap too. The grid item height is also customizable. There are two switchers here to show or hide the title and meta description of the items. Hovering over the items, you can see the tooltip displaying the title and meta of the items. There's also an alignment option for the texts. You can change the size of the item images from the image size option down here. Then select the media file for the link and choose only button for the link target. The items section has all the gallery items listed inside. To add more, simply click on the add item button. Let's add 2 more items here. Now click on the first item and you will see expanded item options. Let's change the image first. Then a title for the item and meta text. You can also link anything to the image with a custom URL field. Now take your time selecting pictures for the rest of the items. Then we'll go to the grid subsection for the first item to change the dimension of the item. Let's adjust the column span to 5 and row span to 2. For the next item, adjust the column span to 3. The third item stays the same. Let's adjust the value for the rest of the items to fit them casually inside the gallery space. Once done, you can check the whole gallery to see how it looks. Now let's jump to the Style tab for appearance customizations. First, we'll curve the edges of the images using the border radius field. Okay, next, let's change the text color and background color of the title. We're also using border radius here. Zeroing the margin field. Next, the meta text and background color should be the same as the title. Then the border radius and margin too. Like that, the tiny gap between them will be nullified. Then we can just customize the read more button by changing its padding value and make it bigger. All done, now fold the control panel to have a good look at the finished gallery layout. That's how easily you can do it with the Turbo Gallery widget. That's it for today. Thanks for enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay safe. See you next time.